Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how do you delete a slide in PowerPoint. To get started, open the PowerPoint presentation. Here you can see the available slides. Now right-click on the slide to delete, click Delete Slide. As you can see, this will be deleted immediately. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.